So what is a machine? So we'll have to see to the patient monitor, what are the things to be taken, what are the precautions to be taken, right? You should know thoroughly machine how it operates, what is happening. If it is a physical therapy machine, you should know what is. Then only you without fear you can open and see what is the problem, right?
Because if somebody works as a biomedical in a hospital, the doctor and the patient have the trust on it.
Yeah, that's right. So, for example, for the ECG machine, it's a simple machine, nothing. But for when they connect the ECG cable to the chest, you should not get a shock. It is taking a minor voltage from your body and it is processing to the amplifying system to get the ECG, right? So if you see this 3 area, it's getting very minor waves with the conductivity with our body. So it is sucking, getting the signal from our body and it is transmitting, right? So when you connect the machine, you should not give a shock. So we are very careful on that.
Okay. So how about your course structure, sir? I mean, because so how the next batch can approach you? So this
now this batch is going to finish by end of November.
Okay. So are you having any practical exam, right? So at the session you must check how.
We do have an exam.
Okay.
So on that they have to pass. We will compulsory.
And you are providing some certifications.
We will give the certificate for practical. And also.
And by the way, sir, how long the course duration is?
3 months. 3 months.
3 month practical session.
The first 2 months I will go through it, even though they have done the theory, I will refresh. Everything is forget. So the practical, if you know the practical, theory is nothing. That will be stored in your brain. So you should know the practical. So what I am doing is, I will